A16z urges SEC to modernize crypto custody rules in comment letter. A16z. SEC. Andreessen Horowitz's proposal to the SEC is less about custody mechanics than about redefining how regulatory authority intersects with decentralized infrastructure. Last updated, April 10, 2025. Author. Hongji Feng. Author. Hongji Feng. About author. Hongji is a crypto and tech reporter. He graduated from Northwestern University's Medill School of Journalism with a bachelor's and a master's. He has previously interned at Huobi Global, Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. April 10, 2025 at 20:37 GMT+3. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. A16z proposes allowing self-custody under defined security and compliance conditions. The firm advocates for a regulatory approach that recognizes how blockchain systems operate, including on-chain governance and staking. The proposal challenges binary distinctions between wallet types, favoring a risk-based model. A16z also calls for flexibility in asset transfers and support for layered custody arrangements common in digital asset infrastructure. Venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz submitted a comment letter to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) on April 9, proposing a new framework for how registered investment advisors (RIAs) should be allowed to custody digital assets. The firm argued that current rules fail to account for how crypto custody operates in practice. It recommended that self-custody be permitted under certain conditions, especially where third-party options are unavailable or impractical. A16z calls on SEC to recognize self-custody. A16z proposed 5 crypto custody principles calling for greater flexibility and a shift away from traditional custody models that do not account for how blockchains function. At the core of the proposal is a request to allow RIAs to engage in self-custody when no viable third-party custodians exist, provided they meet clear standards for security and internal controls. The letter urges the SEC to adopt a technology-neutral approach, allowing advisors to participate in on-chain governance and staking without being treated as if they have relinquished custody. It also recommends that blockchain-based systems be recognized for satisfying disclosure and record-keeping requirements under existing rules. The firm pushed back on rigid distinctions between hot and cold wallets, advocating instead for a risk-based framework that accounts for how custodians use tools like MPC, multi-sig wallets, and hardware-based protections. Proposal highlights friction between policy and infrastructure. It also calls on the SEC to permit advisors to transfer digital assets for best execution purposes, noting that prohibitive custody rules may prevent RIAs from securing optimal pricing or liquidity for clients. The letter further recommends acknowledging layered custody structures where sub-custodians and infrastructure providers support primary custodians as common and necessary in the crypto ecosystem. A16z cautioned that without modernized guidance, advisors may be discouraged from participating in crypto markets altogether. Advisors should not be required to choose between regulatory compliance and operational reality, the letter states. The letter suggests a broader challenge regulators now face: how to adapt legal structures built for centralized systems to assets that are native to distributed ones. Custody, in this context, becomes less about who holds the keys and more about how authority, risk, and accountability are defined. For advisors, the consequences are not abstract. Without a framework that reflects how digital assets actually function, the cost of participation rises, measured not only in compliance risk, but in access forfeited to a growing segment of financial infrastructure. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). What custody rules currently apply to investment advisors? Advisors must use qualified custodians and ensure clients receive account statements directly from them. What changed with SAB 121 being rescinded? Custodians no longer need to report held crypto as liabilities, removing a key barrier for banks. Why does the hot versus cold wallet distinction matter? Hot wallets are more exposed to online threats, cold wallets are safer but less accessible. A16z wants risk, not connectivity, to define policy. What's a sub-custody model in crypto? It's when a custodian partners with a specialized provider to handle crypto operations common in layered custody setups. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar panic selling hits XRP, but is this the perfect setup for a surprise rally? BTC tops $82,000 as ETH and XRP jump 13% on Trump's tariff pause. SEC approves listing, trading of options on ETH ETFs. Altcoin news. Cardano price analysis. ADA bounces as trade wars ease, but 30 cents ADA remains likely. 1 day ago. By Joel Frank. Price analysis. XRP's V-shaped reversal turns heads. Are $3 plus targets now in play? 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Charles Hoskinson predicts Bitcoin could hit $250,000 as tech giants eye stablecoins. 1 day ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in April 2025, top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in April 2025. 4 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 9 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now, upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Meb Keelikutty. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in April 2025. March 3, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By NSS, Tavares. Next crypto to explode in 2025, our top picks. September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.